for instance, very interesting in the CPI report, if you take that services X housing segment of the market, and for CPI, there's a goofy thing related to medical insurance. So if you take that out, you're looking at an 0.4 reading for July, right? And that's actually not that surprising because services X housing is mostly driven by wages, and wages on an hourly basis are growing at about 4 to 5%, and productivity is growing at about 0 in the U.S. economy per hour worked. And so the gap between those two things should be the structural inflationary pressures in the economy, particularly related to services. And that's essentially what you're seeing, which is the structural services X housing inflation is about 4 to 5%. The gap between wage growth and productivity growth is about 4 to 5%. And that really is the core, if you let me go with the pun, that's the core issue of the U.S. inflation problem, is that dynamic, not the actual measured core inflation.